Hey everyone, how you going? We've had clean-up day today and we've shuffled a few things around, a couple of the cars, trying to make it a bit easier. But this video is all about the 1,000 subscriber mark. We're nearly there, we're like 12 people off. So by the time you see this video, we're probably at 1,000 subscribers now. To celebrate, we're going to do a bit of a giveaway, just a t-shirt package with one of the signs, a couple of stickers, some key rings and things like that. If it's something you're interested in, follow the video and we'll get into that a bit later on. But for now, we can see I've shuffled a couple of the cars around. We've got the Morris rat truck in this place here. I can do a bit of work on the side of it here where I accidentally ran into the hoist and mangled the guard, so I'm going to fix that, get that back on there, and then we're going to get that ready to roll and run so that we can take it to the local Cars and Coffee and drive it there. And as long as we've got brakes, I'm happy. Then we've got the drag Monaro we've been working on the last couple of videos. This one had a little bit of an accident. We've got a new back quarter to go on that. We're going to be doing that piece by piece as we go. We're going to try and get that done as soon as we can as well. Now the 35, the Ford. So we've basically roughed in the guards. They're both to the point now where they just need a little bit of refining, and then they'll get epoxied, and then the bodywork can start on those. But now that we've finished those rough-ins in the guards, we're going to start doing this roof, fixing up everything and getting it all done right for the inspection that it needs to get licensed. So we're going to start off with the A-pillars up the front here. It has got the wind-out screen. It's got the wind-out screen that goes in. This needs a little bit of work. This stainless trim hasn't been cut right, and it's a little bit average. I need to get that so it sits in the right place so the rubber seal will actually seal properly. But we're going to build these A-pillars first up. I'm going to do a full skin, top to bottom, getting this line right and just rebuilding those so that they're done right. We're getting rid of the factory body line up the top here, and we're actually going to flatten the roof out. We're going to flatten the roof at the top, a lot less crown than what it's got, and fixing up all this welds and stuff on there that have just warped the hell out of it. And then the back, because this is an Aussie cab, this back has this very sharp rear corner on the cab. We're actually going to strip all that off, and we're going to do a wire buck, and we're going to take off quite a substantial amount off that and make it so it's just a nice flow to it, and it'll just look a lot nicer. It'll look like an American truck. There's still heaps more to go on it. We have to do the rear suspension, we have to do the front grille, all the lower end of the cab, and yeah, it'll be a long process, but worth the wait. All right, I guess we'll go over to the t-shirts and see what we got there. So we've got 2 packs we're going to give away. These are some panels that I've made in previous videos, the Chev panel and just a small mini door panel style thing. Then we have a couple of stickers, couple of key rings, and our t-shirts. Now the t-shirts themselves, these are our first run of t-shirts. These were to gauge what people thought of the quality. Yeah, I'm always wearing my t-shirt every video, every day. I wear it into town, people see me in them. They're nice and comfortable, and we're just working out the prints on them, just seeing what ones people like more. We've found that this style, which actually goes off our actual logo, people seem to like that a lot more. So we're going to get these done in different colours, different sizes. There'll be kids sizes. We're going to get some hoodies done as well. They'll be that'll be all happening very shortly in the next month. And then they'll all be on, I guess we'll be making a website or a Etsy store or whatever we have to make to sell the merchandise that we get in. But yeah, for now, because we're at 1,000 subscribers, we thought we'd do this as a giveaway. I'll give 2 people a pack each, and I'll ship that wherever you are in the world. We'll get that done. Basically, all you have to do is just like the video and put a comment in, whether it's a thumbs up, or if you want to actually comment on what you think of what we're doing in here so far. Yeah, whether there's anything that you want to see us like make, smaller stuff wise, like the panels that we do, or if there's anything interesting that you think that the Morris rat truck could use, or something like that, just anything you want to say. But all of those comments will go into the draw in 1 month's time, or just over. So I'll draw that on the 1st of October, and then I'll put that in each person's comment that wins. But we'll do that with a random internet calculator, what are they called?
A random picker. I don't know.
Random name picker or whatever.
Yeah, there'll be something online.
So we'll do that with one of the random internet name picker things, the sites that you use, and we'll get that done. But yeah, so if you like what we're doing, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment for these ones. That's the only way you can win them, is if you comment. And yeah, and we'll draw that on the 1st of October. I'll keep pushing the video. I'll mention it a couple more times in our videos coming up and everything as well. And yeah, we'll just keep carrying on doing what we're doing, and hopefully you guys enjoy the videos and enjoy the content, and we'll see you next time. Have a good night.